Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an accordion in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to organize content on your WordPress site, allowing visitors to expand and collapse sections as needed, which keeps your pages clean and easy to navigate. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all your site management happens, so make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find various menu options for managing your website. In that sidebar, click on Pages, then select All Pages from the submenu. This will display a list of all the pages currently on your site. Find the specific page you want to edit and hover over it with your mouse. You'll notice several options appear. Click on Edit with Elementor to open the page in Elementor's visual editor, where you can make changes in real time. Now you're in the Elementor editor interface. Look at the left menu panel, where you'll see a collection of widgets available for adding to your page. You can either scroll through the widgets to locate the accordion, or you can use the search function to find it quickly. Simply type accordion into the search bar, and it will appear in the results. Click on the accordion widget to add it to your page. Once the accordion is on your page, you'll see it comes with default items, typically labeled accordion number 1 and accordion number 2. You can type directly into these sections to customize the titles and content for each accordion item. If you need more sections beyond the default 2, simply click on Add Item to create additional accordion panels. This flexibility allows you to organize as much or as little content as you need. Next, let's talk about text formatting. If you want to make certain words or phrases stand out, you can customize the text format by making it bold, italicized, or underlined. To do this, first highlight the specific text you want to modify. Once it's highlighted, you'll see formatting options appear in the toolbar. You'll also notice a submenu located beside the bold icon. This is where you can choose different subheading styles for your text, allowing you to create visual hierarchy within your accordion content. Selecting the appropriate subheading helps organize information clearly and improves readability for your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized an accordion in Elementor, giving your page a more organized and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.